This year's WAEC 2026 Alternative to Practical number 3B tests the ability to understand solubility rules, specifically the solubility rules for chlorides, sulfates, and nitrates. So the question says, arrange the following salts in increasing order of solubility, and the salts are lead 2 chloride, lead 2 sulfate, and lead 2 nitrate. In this video, I'm going to reveal the solubility rules for nitrates, sulfates, and chlorides. It is from these solubility rules that we will find out among these 3 salts the most soluble, and the one that follows it, and the least soluble. Now let's talk about solubility of nitrates. Nitrates are salts that contain trioxonitrate 5, and the rule is that all nitrates are soluble, all of them, which means lead 2 trioxonitrate 5 is soluble. Sulfate salts are salts that contain tetraoxosulphate 6 ion, and in the solubility rule, all sulfates are soluble, except the exception are sulfates of barium, sulfates of lead, sulfates of calcium, sulfates of strontium, and sulfates of silver. You can use this as an acronym, BALI-CASRAN. These sulfates are not soluble, but sulfates of barium and lead are completely insoluble. But sulfates of calcium, strontium, and silver are sparingly soluble, which means that barium sulfate is completely insoluble. We have now gotten that barium sulfate is insoluble completely, while barium nitrate is completely soluble. Now let's move to the solubility rule for chlorides. Chlorides are salts that contain chlorine ion. The solubility rule is that all chlorides are soluble, except chlorides of mercury, silver, and chlorides of lead. You can see this as an acronym, MER MER for mercury, SI for silver, AG, and lead for lead, BB. Of all these, the chlorides of mercury and silver are completely insoluble, while that of lead is sparingly soluble. So from the solubility rule of nitrates, we are able to find out that lead 2 nitrate is soluble. And from the solubility of sulfates, we have found out that lead 2 sulfate is insoluble. This one is soluble, this one is insoluble. And again, from the solubility rule of chlorides, we have found out that chloride of lead 2 is sparingly soluble. Therefore, to arrange this in increasing order of solubility, the first should be this, which is insoluble. We have PbSO4, insoluble, and less soluble than the one that is sparingly soluble, which is PbCl2, which is less soluble than the most soluble, PbNO3 and 2. Therefore, since all nitrates are soluble, this should be the most soluble, followed by the one that is sparingly soluble, PbCl2, and the one that is completely insoluble, PbSO4. Click on subscription button and tap the follow button if you are on Facebook or TikTok.